Frequently asked questions, number 4. Hi, I'm Scott White from Glasshouse Home Safety. A lot of people say, what should I do when the alarm's going off in the middle of the night? What should I do? What's the first thing that I should do? Well, that really depends on whether you sleep with your door closed or open, because the very first thing that you need to do is to make sure that the fire isn't already happening on the other side of that closed door. So put your hand on the back of the door, the back of your hand on the door, and if it's not hot, okay, go ahead, open the door. Then investigate. Try and see if you can see smoke, see if you can hear any noises or any light, obviously, from the fire happening. But normally, if it's a photo-optical alarm, it would have gone off well before the flame, and you're just looking for a bunch of smoke, and hopefully you'll just find it and be able to do something about it. And that's where obviously a fire extinguisher is very, very important. So just don't forget that. It's only a minor thing, but if you sleep with your door closed, and if the fire happens to be out there and you open it, you're going to feed it a whole lot of oxygen and, you know, just pick it all up and quite often burn yourself right there on the spot. So it's well worth just checking, feel the door, make sure it's not too hot. If there's lots of smoke, then, you know, the old saying, get down low, go, go, go. We're all about saving lives in homes. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our page. We've got plenty of information coming. Thanks for listening. Scott White from Glasshouse Home Safety.